The Arken SH4. It's a scope that I genuinely really like. Yes, I might have gotten these both for free, both the 6 to 24 and the 4 to 16 by 50, but they are truly optics that perform well above their price point. And I'm not just saying that to be a shill. I'm saying that because it's legitimately genuine. These things are friggin' awesome. As long as you don't mind a little bit of weight, this one has been absolutely perfect. And when a review comes out on this, you're going to understand it as well. Absolutely fantastic. But there's one major flaw with this optic. And I think you could already guess what that might be, or lack thereof: a throw lever. You can buy this direct from Arken for $30 plus shipping, and I opted to actually buy this because I believe in their scopes and I believe in their company. They're still the only company to reach out to me to have me review their stuff and give me my honest opinion on their products. So for me to spend the $30 plus shipping, around 40 bucks for a throw lever, absolutely worth it. You can buy the MK machining lever for this, but it's only nylon. I think you can have an option of materials, and that ranges from $20 to $25 before shipping. For me, though, I would much rather have, in this case, one of their in-house manufactured rings. These are aluminum, have one locking bolt on the side, and this really nice little ball and socket almost sort of joint where this will slip in and you lock it up, keeping it nice and tight. I love how thin this is and how lightweight this is. Weight is everything, and as you can see, this thing comes in at 0.35 ounces, basically featherweight, so light that you won't even know that it's on there. One thing I really like is that this is a smooth interior face, so you can really rotate this however you want to get it just right. I'm fairly confident with the MK machining ones that it'll line up with the splines and thus get really good positive contact because it's all polymer, but it might not line up 100% to where you need it to, whereas this thing is going to be basically perfect no matter where you put it, because you can put it exactly where you want it. Fit and finish so far seem excellent, with no issues with the anodizer or anything like that, and that's basically it. So let me pull the screw out and get this thing mounted up. They do include the proper size Allen key, so you don't have to worry about finding the right size to fit this, which is always nice. And it should be as simple as removing this, sliding this out, and sliding this up and over. As you could hear, it locks in there nice and snugly. Then we can slide this on. Probably a little more, not that challenging at all. And then insert the screw. Now for this, I wouldn't say locking this down too tight because you don't want to put pressure on the actual magnification ring and possibly damage the internals. But maybe a little bit of blue Loctite if you get this just right. You never want it to remove ever again. And just like that, you have a phenomenal throw lever that you can adjust any which way, shape, or form. The hardest thing for me with this scope, with reviewing it, both this and the 6 to 24, is having to change the magnification. I had to have one of these, and ultimately, for anyone that's going to be using a scope like this, a throw lever is almost a necessity. So right now, for an extra $40 or so added on to the total price of the scope, around $450, you're looking at about a $500 optic, but it comes with a really awesome throw lever at this point. Now, Arken does offer a precision pack for $70, which includes the throw lever, a bubble level, a rear bag, and some other stuff. I didn't look too deeply into it, only because none of that stuff really interests me other than the throw lever, and I'd rather not have extra stuff lying around. With all that being said then, it's a throw lever. It does what it needs to do. It's very lightweight. It's very well made. It fits on there absolutely perfect. So if you buy an Arken and you're worried about possibly needing a throw lever, they already got you covered with this. And if you buy with their precision pack, you get it for less, and then you get the level and then all the other stuff. So good stuff. And that's going to be it for this review. Thank you very much for watching. See you again next time. And a very huge thank you to all of my Patreon providers. Without you, this wouldn't be possible. If you'd like to help support the channel but don't want to join my Patreon, I completely understand. But you can still help support by using my affiliate links in the description below. Thanks again for watching.